I still dream about you every night. Guess I'm wondering if you're alright. I wish I didn't do that, but I do. And do you ever dream of me? Or are my visions just a one-way street? If they are, then that's okay. 'Cause a dream is just a dream. It doesn't mean anything. Pro basketball, picture you saying if you were tall, then you could have gone pro, but you got my blood, so it's just a dream, a far-off thing. It doesn't a dream, right? In a dream, it doesn't mean anything, but it means everything. Oh, slow living can be life-giving, although we might disagree. If most our lives are lived in black and white, it makes the gray so hard to see. The same old people, the same old steeples on every corner for half a mile, but nothing changes. And ain't it strange that we didn't notice as a child that slow living can be life-giving, although we might disagree. If most our lives are lived in black and white, it makes the gray so hard to see. Living in a dry state where we all say grace, buying liquor on a Sunday across the county lines, where the raindrops rolling off the rooftops, making the clouds stop for just a little while. Oh, slow living can be life-giving, although we might disagree. If most our lives are lived in black and white, it makes the gray so hard to see. Sitting on the porch steps in the town where we met, after the sun sets on a Friday night. Southern fireflies lighting up the night sky, lucky to realize one more time that slow living can be life-giving, although we might disagree. If most our lives are lived in black and white, it makes the gray so hard to see. It makes the gray so hard to see. You say I should journal every day, but I don't. You say if I write things down, then I'll know myself better, but I probably won't. I know that there is something I should do to be a healthy human. That's what I wanna do, but I don't think I know how. Can you show me? Can you show me? I promise I'll listen this time. I promise I'll listen. But every time you try to give me advice, I always resist. 'Cause in the moment it feels like you're squelching my right to do dumb shit if I wanna. But that's not really what I wanna do. It's the principle that matters. At least that's what I tell myself. But what I really need is baby, tell me what I'm supposed to do to be a healthy human. coming to terms with where I'm at. I really don't want to, but I gotta ask my dad.